Hi guys, you're welcome to another episode of my video, and in today's video I want to answer the most important question that people have been asking for a while now. Now the question is Binance banned in Nigeria? Now just like what you're seeing here, this person here said Binance app is down. Can any other wallet be used? Now I've been getting a lot of comments and a lot of messages on WhatsApp. People are telling me that Binance is down. People are asking me, is Binance not working in Nigeria? So that is what I'm going to be answering in this video. And also in this video I'm going to be recommending different apps that can help you to receive USDT in Nigeria even if Binance is no longer available right here, guys. And also these apps here are free. So the main question is Binance banned in Nigeria? As in now, right now, I'm going to say the answer is no. The reason why I'm saying no is because I am still using my Binance app very well without any VPN or any other stuff, and my Binance app is really working right now. But just in case it happens that they ban Binance later, or for those of you that don't know how to use Binance or any other crypto wallet, I have an app that is going to be very easy for you, that you can use to receive cryptocurrency right here in Nigeria. And you can also use this app to convert your Naira to dollars and your dollars to Naira right here in Nigeria, just with your smartphone, guys, without any stress. See on my screen right here, they say you receive USD 219 USD. Now this was when I transferred 220 USD from my Binance account, just because I was panicking, because I was scared that they are going to close down Binance. So I transferred 220 USD from my Binance account, and they sent 219 USD to this particular app right here, and I converted 210 USD into Naira, and it gave me 348k Naira right here, guys. And this is the app I want to show you guys today. You can use, and it's very easy to use, guys. For those of you that don't know how to use Binance, please just pay attention. I believe this video is really going to be helpful. If you're seeing me for the first time, guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Solely Pictures TV, and my name is Solomon Okon. Now my work here is to make your life better. How do I do that? If I use any platform and it pays me, or it works for me, or if I try any new methods to earn money online and it pays me, I come down here and share them with you guys, so that if you're interested, you can use it and make money with it for yourself. And if you want to get more updates from me, all what you have to do right now, just like this video right now. Please like this video and share this video. You can just comment where you're watching from in the comment section below, guys. And most importantly, click on that subscribe button right now and turn on the bell notification for more updates coming your way every single week, guys. And also, if you're watching me on Facebook, make sure you click on that follow button right now, so that you're going to get more updates from me. Now don't forget this platform that I want to talk about. If you want to register, check the link in the comment section right now. I'm going to drop the link there. You can click on it and register, or you can download the app from Google Play Store. You can still use my invitation code for you to register into the platform, guys. So it's very simple. So click on the link below in the comment section right now if you want to download this app that I want to talk about in this particular video. Now I told you guys earlier, I have some apps right here that I want to talk about. Now these apps can help you to create a dollar account right here in Nigeria without stress, because a lot of people have been asking me, how can I create a dollar account? I don't have a PayPal account. I want to learn how to create a dollar account. So these apps that I want to mention right here can help you to create a dollar account, and they can also help you right here to use a dollar card. Like if you want to use dollar card to buy things online, or to shop online, or to pay for any of your subscription, these apps can help you to do that. Now the first app that I want to talk about is called Clasher, guys. It's called Clasher. Now if I come down here and click on Clasher on Google Play Store right here, you're going to see that this is the app right here, guys. Now you can see the app right here. You can search for it on Google Play Store. Now as you can see right here, they say cross-border comments for Africa. Now this is one of the apps most Africans use to receive money internationally, or to use their cards internationally. Now as you can see right here, you can see right here that with this app right here, you can use it to receive money internationally. And if I scroll here, you're going to see they say spend internationally with your virtual USD card. So they also offer you a USD card that you can use to buy things online. You can shop online, and you can do any of the stuff you want to do with your USD card. Now if I scroll this way, you can see they say pay bills. You can also pay bills with the app. You can see they say shop from global brands. This app also have a feature where you can use it to buy stuff from different online companies that you want to shop, and they can also bank great security. They also have a tight security, and they say get timely support 247. So they also have good customer service right here that can also help you. Now if I scroll right here, you can see that this app has over 3,000 review on Google Play Store, and it has 3.5 stars on Google Play Store. So if you're looking for an app to use their dollar card to buy things online, I'm going to recommend this app for you. You can use their dollar card to buy things online and shop online for yourself. This is the first app I'm going to talk about today. And the second app that I want to recommend for you guys today, just come down again to Google Play Store, search for an app called Geek Pay. This app can help you to create a dollar account, to create different countries account right here in Nigeria. You can see it say experience Geek Pay. You can see right here. Now this is one of the apps that freelancers use right here in Nigeria to receive payment from their client abroad, guys. It's very simple. So one of the problems about this app is just their verification state. Now for you to register and verify your account, it's not really going to be easy. That's one of the challenges, but I believe once you verify your account, from there you can start using this app without any stress, guys. You can see here they say receive and send, convert right here. So you can receive dollar, you can send dollar, you can convert your Naira to dollar and your dollar to Naira. Now if I scroll here, you can see it say get virtual cards for spending. You can also get cards right here to buy things online. You can convert your Naira to GBP and your GBP to Naira. You can see right here. Come down here, you can download this app if you're looking for a way to create a dollar account in Nigeria. And this is the second app I'm going to recommend for you. So guys, I took a break and I'm back. So right here, as I was saying, the third app right here that can actually help you to send and receive dollar right here in Nigeria, this app right here is called Gray. Guys, this app is called Gray. Now as you can see right here, you can create a dollar account right here. If you want to create, my dollar account right here is empty. If I switch right here, you can see that in my pounds account, I have £3 right here in my pounds account. And you can also come here and convert your Naira to pounds, your pounds to Naira, your Naira to dollar, and your dollar to Naira, guys. So this is another app that freelancers use right here in Nigeria to receive their payments from their clients abroad, and they have a lot of features right here that you can come and explore, guys. So this is another app that I'm going to recommend for you if you want to create a workable dollar account right here in Nigeria, guys. Now among all these apps that I've just mentioned in this video, I have selected the most easiest app right here that you can use, that a total beginner can use to start making money, or a total beginner can use to start receiving and sending money, guys. This is like the most simplest app ever, and I'm saying this because I have been using this app for a very long time. Let me say for up to 2 years now, or up to more than 2 years. I've been using the app for more than 2 years now. It has been working for me very, very well, guys, and that is why I want to recommend it for you guys today. And you can check the link below if you want to download the app. Now this was my account when I received the money. This was my account when I transferred the money. As you can see right here, you can see they say you receive USD 219 USD right here, and that is it. So right now, what I want to do right now is for me to convert this money right here into Naira right here, guys. You can see this is the receipt right here showing me that I have actually received this money into my account, and you can see the money in my USD account right here, 219. I want to show you guys how I receive this money into my account. Now if you want to receive dollar into your account from this platform, just come down here and click on add cash. Now if you click on add cash, they are going to open this page for you. Just click on digital dollar. Now if you click on that, come here and click on TDA USD right here. If you click on that right here, scroll down, you're going to see they say Tron network. Now this Tron network is USDT TRC20 right there. If you click on that, now they are going to open this page for you. They are going to give you your wallet address that you can use to receive USDT from anybody that is sending you USDT TRC20, guys. So you can receive it from this particular wallet address, guys. That is how you receive USDT from this particular app right here. Next thing I'm going to do is for me to convert my USD right here into Naira right here. You click on convert right here, you're going to see the rate, the conversion rate right now. And let me say I want to convert 210 right here, and you're going to see how much 200 is going to give you. So but I want to convert 210 right here. So I'm going to leave 9 USD into my account because I don't like withdrawing everything. So that is it, guys. So you can see right here how much 210 USD is going to give you in Naira. So I'm just going to come here and click on convert right here and click on confirm. So if I click on confirm right here, guys, they are going to ask me to put my password, guys. So I'm going to put my password and come and let's continue. Now as you can see, they say processing right here. It's almost done. So as you can see, I just successfully converted my USD into Naira. Now the next thing I'm going to be doing right here is for me to withdraw this particular money right here into my Naira account, guys. So you can transfer the money from this platform to your Naira account. You can see the money right now is in my Naira wallet right now, and it's very simple. You can see the money right there. So and you can see my dollar account right now is remaining just 9 USD right here. So all what you have to do, you can switch the wallet. Now if you switch the wallet from here, you can transfer the money to your different bank account or to your local bank account anywhere. If you want to do that, just come down here and click on these three lines right here. Now if you click on these three lines right here, this page is going to open. You can see they say account details. You can see cash out. I'm going to click on cash out. I'm going to put the amount. I'm going to put the amount that I want to cash out to my normal account or to my other account. So let me put the amount right here that I want to withdraw to my other account. So I just put 340 right here. I'm going to click on continue. So if I click on continue right here, guys, you're going to see that I have my PalmPay account here, right here, my Kuda account. I need to select my PalmPay account because it's very easy. I need to send the money into my PalmPay account right here. Guys, as you can see right here that it's processing right here and it's successful. I successfully transferred the money from this platform into my PalmPay account, guys. So that is how you send your money from this platform, and that is how you receive USD into this platform. Now this app is an app that I've been using, as I said earlier, and this app right here is called Cheaper Cash, guys. It's very simple. It's one of the apps I've been using for a very long time, for up to 2 years. I've been using their card. I've been using their dollar card to pay for some apps. I've been using it for my subscription. I've been using it to do a lot of things, to pay for softwares. I've been using it for a lot of stuff, guys. I use it to pay for art, for example, like Facebook art, YouTube art, and Instagram art. I've been using my Cheaper Cash card to do that, guys. So which shows that the platform is actually okay. It's very okay because I have been using it, and this is something I can actually testify because I have been using it, guys, and it's 100% working, guys. So all what you have to do right now, as I said earlier, you can download the app from Google Play Store and use my invitation code right now to register, and you're also going to get bonuses for yourself. Or you can use the link below. Just check the link in the comment section right now. Click on the link right now and register. It's going to save you time and stress. If you don't know how to use Binance, use this app to receive USDT and convert your USDT to Naira. It's very simple, guys. So tell me what you think about this platform in the comment section below. Have you been using this platform called Cheaper Cash? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, guys. That's all for now. Thank you very much for watching. I really hope this was helpful, guys. Please, if this video was really helpful, let me know in the comment section below and tell me the apps that you have been using to receive dollar in Nigeria. Just share with us in the comment section below, guys. And don't forget to click on that subscribe button right now so that you're going to watch more videos from me, and like this video right now so that YouTube can recommend it to more people to watch, guys. It's very simple. And there's another video that is going to play right here. Click on it and watch it right now. I'm going to be seeing you guys in my next video. Do have a lovely day and bye for now.